Speechify Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Speechify Review, where I'll walk you through the features, benefits, and my personal experience using this popular text-to-speech platform. If you're interested in exploring it further, I've included links to the product in the description below. Speechify is a robust text-to-speech tool designed to help individuals convert written text into natural-sounding audio. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone with reading difficulties like dyslexia, Speechify can make content consumption more accessible and efficient. It supports multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, Mac, and even web browsers, ensuring that you can use it anywhere you need. The standout feature of Speechify is its ability to read text in a highly natural and expressive voice. You can upload documents, PDFs, or web pages, and Speechify will convert them into audio instantly. It offers a variety of voices, including premium AI-generated voices that are incredibly lifelike. Additionally, it supports multiple languages, making it a versatile tool for a global audience. Another major advantage is its customization options. You can adjust the reading speed, allowing users to slow it down for better comprehension or speed it up to skim through content quickly. The platform also includes a highlighting feature that tracks the text as it's read, which is particularly useful for following along and retaining information. Speechify shines in productivity and accessibility. It's ideal for students who need to listen to study materials, professionals who want to multitask by reading while working, or individuals who prefer auditory learning. Its ability to sync across devices ensures that your progress is saved, so you can pick up where you left off, whether at home or on the go. The free version of Speechify includes basic functionalities, while the premium version unlocks enhanced features like higher quality voices, faster reading speeds, and more language options. Though the premium subscription might seem pricey, the added convenience and features justify the investment for heavy users. Overall, Speechify offers a seamless, intuitive, and powerful solution for text-to-speech needs. If you're looking to transform the way you consume written content, Speechify is worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more information.